In this Opus clip review, I'm going to be showing you a platform in which you can turn your long form videos into shorter clips and you can upload in your social media platform as Reel, YouTube Shorts or TikTok Shorts or whatsoever. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Opus clip is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software, and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that is personally helping me to go from 0 to $5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. It's an absolutely free guide to help you in your affiliate marketing journey. So as you can see, this is the platform of Opus clip, and you can see these reels that has been generated. If you look here, you can see some of the reels that has been generated. You can see it is amazing. It has got amazing captions and all of that. I'm going to be showing you how you can do this personally in this video, and that's it for the homepage. Now let's jump into the software. So I have an account right over here. I have got 1 hour and 27 minutes more. So what you have to do is you have to put your link, which can be a Rumble link, Zoom link, YouTube link, or any of the link, and you can put the link right over here. I'm going to paste it, so it's going to generate my video, which is my personal YouTube video. And you can apparently choose the style on how your caption should look like. So we have got this Think Media caption, then karaoke caption, then the Mr. Beast caption, then Deep Diver caption, then this guy, then Podby, then now as of my favorite, Alex Hormozy is my kind of favorite caption when it comes to these short reels. So I'm going to go with Alex Hormozy. So I have selected that, and the genre of my video should be, let me see, it's product reviews. So I'm going to keep it product reviews. Please don't do this. If you do this, the video length is going to be up to 3 minutes, so you don't want your reel to be as 3 minute long, so just keep it unchecked. And when it comes to the length of the videos, I would recommend 30 to 60 seconds, because I feel like that is the best possible time frame for a reel to go viral. Even 60 to 90 second is okay. You can also do the 0 minute to 3 minute stuff, but I'm going to be keeping it 30 seconds to 60 seconds for the sake of the video. So I have selected that, and all you have to do is just get clips in one click. You have to press it here. It takes a little bit time. I think it takes about 5 minutes to actually get it done. I have got a total of 3 clips, so that's it. So let's have a look at the first clip. So it says earn passive income, online easy ways to make money with wallets, internet sharing, and referrals. So let's have a look at this, so you guys can have a greater idea. What you have to do is add a wallet. Here you can add your MetaMask wallet, which is this one right over here, or you can add your Trust wallet, and then you can basically add and basically you can stake. So that's it. And you also have Honeygrain. So in this you will basically share your internet with other people, and again guys, you can't be making a lot of money using Honeygrain sharing your internet, because they only pay a tiny bit of money. You will be probably making a few cents or few dollars per month. So that's another way you can make money. Then you have these referrals, so you can refer people. So as you can see, the long form content has been generated into the short form content, and I really like how the captions look. If you can make better long form content than me, you can definitely get better shots than me. So as you can see, this is like the virality score of this shorts right over here. So if I apparently upload this on TikTok, YouTube, or even Instagram, there's a high chance of it to get being viral. And also you can change the caption if you like. So if I want it interesting, I have to keep it interesting. So the caption is going to change. As you can see, it has changed. So that's great. You can do that. You can select this based on your choice, and you can edit it otherwise if you want also, because it's your choice. You can do it as you wish. And you have got the second shots right over here. It's 92% virality score. You can also change the caption if you want. I'm going to keep it serious. So the caption has been changed, so it looks good. You can also do it as a custom base as well. Then you have got the third shots as well. It has got 85% virality, and you can change the caption and all that stuff as well. And the cool thing about Opus Clip is that you can schedule on these social media websites. So what you have to do is you have to select this share button right over here. And you have to like add these accounts. So you can add YouTube account, TikTok feed account, TikTok inbox. Then you can do it on Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Since I'm on the free version, I can't be doing any of these. So let me show you the pricing of Opus Clip. So if you go to the main website and if you go to pricing, you can see the price of Opus Clip is at the free. It has got the free version, which is $0 per month, and it is only going to be giving you 60 processing minutes per month. And the problem is that it is going to have you watermark, and you can't be doing any editing, and after 3 days the clips will no longer be exportable. So once you have generated these videos, you have to download them immediately. So you have to click the download button immediately, and you have to be manually uploading to the social media website in the case of the free version. But if you end up buying the starter version, you'll get up to 150 processing minutes per month, and you get AI animated caption, which is absolutely great. Then you get auto post to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and you can download it as well. But you are not going to be getting the LinkedIn and Facebook. So it is going to be requiring the pro version if you want to upload on LinkedIn and Facebook. So for most people, I think the starter pack is definitely good because it is only $9 per month, and remember guys, it's a yearly package. So $9 per month is yearly. So if you go to monthly, okay, the monthly is also same. I was wrong about it. So if you go to the yearly, it's $9 per month. And I think for most people, just YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reel is good than enough. But if you're a person who's creating a lot of content and all that stuff, you can go for $9.50 per month. This is actually pretty low for now. Usually the price used to be $29. I remember the time it was $29, but now it's only $9.50, and you get up to 3600 processing minutes per year, which is absolutely fantastic. And you get two users in teams, in team workspace, then 2 brand templates. Then you can input from 10 plus users, then you can export to about Premiere Pro. You have multiple aspect ratios. You can have a social media scheduler, intercom chat support. So guys, in order for you guys to schedule your content and directly post immediately to your social media platform, you have to go for the pro version or the starter version. But if you're just starting out, if you want to check out Opus Clip, you can check out the free version, which is great. So that's it. I overall think Opus Clip is a fantastic platform. You can get amazing clip from this platform, but the con I find in Opus Clip is that sometimes the video that is generated may not be that good. may not be the right content that has been put out. So that is kind of like an issue you can face in Opus Clip. But overall, I feel Opus Clip as a platform that generates long form videos into short form video is a fantastic platform. If you want to check it out, you can go check it out. But if you're here to check out my recommended strategy that is personally helping me to go from $5,000 to $10,000 per month, if you want to have a look at this free affiliate marketing guide, you can check the first link in the description. So that's basically it for this video of Opus Clip, and I hope to see you on another review video.